Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how you can organize apps in a folder in your home screen. Organizing apps in folder helps declutter your home screen, making it easier to find and access apps quickly. It also allows you to group similar apps together, improving overall efficiency and reducing time spent searching for specific apps. So let's try to make a folder for our social media apps. Tap and hold your home screen until the icons start moving. Now move WhatsApp towards Facebook and that will automatically create a folder. Now similarly try for Instagram. Move Instagram towards the folder. You can see that our social media apps are now in a folder. Similarly, you can create such folders for other categories of apps. For example, instant delivery apps, travel apps, and many more. We hope this was helpful. In case you need more assistance, do call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you for trusting us. See you again soon.